You've seen it before. That little pop-up that says Update Available. And let's be honest, most of us click Remind Me Later. But here's the thing. Skipping updates can actually slow down your computer and even put your security at risk. So let's break down why updating matters and how to do it safely. First, security. Updates patch holes that hackers can use. Without them, it's like leaving your front door unlocked. Second, performance. Updates often fix bugs, crashes, and memory leaks. They can even make your battery last longer. Third, new features. Staying updated means access to the latest tools and design improvements you'd otherwise miss, but maybe you've heard the excuses. Updates take too long. Updates break things. I'll just do it later. The truth is, you can schedule updates for after hours. Most updates are safe, and delaying them only makes your computer more vulnerable. So, how do you update safely? Click Start, then Settings. Update and Security. Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Download and install what's available. Restart when prompted, and if the timing's not right, schedule the restart for when you're not using your PC. Bonus tips. Keep your apps updated through the Microsoft Store or your App Store. Update drivers once in a while for smoother performance. And always restart after an update. So, everything applies correctly. Updates aren't just annoying pop-ups. They're free upgrades to keep your computer secure, fast, and reliable. So don't ignore them. Install them, schedule them, and move on with your day. If this helped, give it a like. And subscribe for more simple, no-fluff tech tips every week.